enko invite asante hini bia mam me da bia me ka bi ma ba when de wudi for enkwase akeka na wote wa akeka no
nanka ebeye fe. Sir, yes, Dormaahene are frustrated with the level of propaganda. Say most of the positive impacts via oil or Dormaahene. But if you say obe through a hand of I don't know the English word, concern, care, sympathy, empathy.
Bia and you are same a sea our Dormaahene not to say ye nua be ma kufia Dormaahene wani a question a quenchia to see a bone need to and as similar to Jano. Ne a yaro same ye pa and yasem ketua na kufia Dormaahene wani adding some need to be bena ebeto Jano or Becca Sayano na kufi bena essay and the Dormaahene a yes adia wanya dear so be about wa fasha say not to rent him say abeto nempo one friend who embisana say and drata. And who said Dormaahene abeye press conference at the same bena atuja empo eyisu word bi say nsema ekosono ekamia say propaganda bi and there nsemu ebeto dwankofo afaya Dormaahene pa enya sempeto ebusuafo Ola Michael at the same bena abetuja say sesapa ananana Dormaahene edetudwa de ende wan kan yi kura sanso na Twene Jonas nso abetutu bi ede amane Dormaahene pa enya sempeto nkofo bena na tutu bi edemanu na nam ne nsem bi ode tudwa esi asema kufia Dormaahene wani e kan kamia ese propaganda bi na ode tudwa abusia yenko tie omafo bi ade ntwra omotudwa erefa Dormaahene ne nsem ode tudwa wa bra kufia Dormaahene wani ede ntwim bebre na ebe tudwa efa so renchema eto no ewo Dormaahene
na wo Dormaahene matisi wa begina wo se asante hene na abo Kofia Doma pa ma ni gu ani ma sete dia me cho no Dormaahene ade na esi ya no wudi for enko invite asante hini bia mam me da bia me ka bi ma ba when de wudi for enkwase akeka na wote wa akeka no akura na free enkran ya ba se obetwa wo show oba afahye ba obeboa wo ama ade no aye krabehwe na accident yesi na oba abonitu amanani apaya enka se wi bofo na omna mo na omo cheke eye settings a bofo ni di Kofia Dormaahene a bofo ni behu se Kofia Dormaahene asheda na omo yes settings ba se obefa akiri abetena ho abra wan fra akra no akra ni yare wan frɛ no Dormaahene na busuamfo ye omo ye innocent people ntina me pese omo mo ha me start gu Dormaahene na dwuma me pese me start no because omo never boa Kofia Dormaahene wani won omo never boa no enti se wo begina be ka se wo ne hwe a wo beka obetimi abeka se no wa busy enti mrepam no betu bafo am yakwa Kofia Dormaahene se de no mesiko ba se obebo blame game se asante hini na hye akire na asante hini galamse a o ye nti opese dabi okika na enkwase asem
video no na I was like okay so iwe nti na ebia ama na nanye na adwene se opese ono ano mpo a fresh any womb. Say I didn't see any cray and I any cray. Say Kofi were pra and I won't pry. Say I am past Kofi I surgeries and soon and nyampa. I think say Sebi than any more. Capany ube kabi say no nanka was what do most to cock a cra. No I should shame who ne cray woman son. Cause penny dear also make us as a me tomebo or me person mecano in a way I shall not quite disrespectful but the campaign you do mante the entire awareness answer would was so tiasem if you shim and son or abe can wasem and what be yano na penny so say or penny ejari and so as the tennis say or abotre ehwese bibia ye okay ansa no akwa akudware etino untimi ma megina bedwam na onkase ebre bia abonoman be ya ade efe bia no near the propaganda ba be share ebia na enokra ebia na bibi sa sida the occur see last August no the marginal uncle, so I don't know what it was. But the SC December 20th there, me nana wadaroma won't me ga say propaganda. Because one nipa no video and one what's neaka. Sebi Angel Group of Companies, Dr. Kwakuten, Sebi money more onya kwada. Na money more wonye Jimmy for the disikaye. And to obeti 110,000 Ghana cedis or the kutia propaganda. Uria wasan kwati $40,000 say or the kutia propaganda ka. Sebi nana. We dey say as entry you. Na uyi Dr. Kwakuten ehu mo bro ne na kuma pa 73 say Sebi ye papa Ibrahim mama onye Jimmy for no also akoyi over $100,000 say or they call supportive propaganda. And that's me okay in the area. The more ya na pray say makofinte. I pray say manenti and money and mo be an country no. Because otia be shene cra. So otia also mo pay psychologist no on any koda. No ko tena nchen. Because one in the koda any boni mo to a cotton feel.
Na nya boni.
I say me can I say why
David.
On
you mean for counseling?
Exactly.
For counseling.
He needs somebody to be around him at this time. Dear Tienu Ofri Bono. Where Bununi? Dear Tosimienu. Sa bunu dwumadea na no okwa musimu nisika musika nso betia Angel Group of Companies on be fan live and no no sika mu di tia ne ka no ne nua magrab do musika bom e de ka mu de no se de be anje ba befa because we bunu ni na no homfa no sa adam be kyeremu a se sika na Angel Group for oji se na wade na o se animunyam ba mu no ansa na animunyam ba mu no na o se Angel Group for ma me fan live nemum sika obetua na wunya nipa ya wo say ni pra no eye propaganda no sika amode ma no nya ni normal rate no or jimu say sika say because we are bununi before that Kofi has been promoting bunu mine before that oka bunu ho sempa musika amode ma no wasade e kan ho sade etua Angel forecast say be on ba be fa mu program ni live na enumunyam kro na wo ka no abem na wadaroma se nipa ye we nyina awie de e de pushi se bunu manso anim bebe nyam na oye ne bi asia wo se eye propaganda se afio de won de ntia on frɛ ta fro de ntia won fi no on pe da kra so pese ohu se no kra no asem ne no kra anya no kra e bia na manfo ato ogu na nim se na sum se enye no kra e bia na Sebi won wa woje omudi aka che ne se Kofi ye propaganda na se nyame tiase ewo nyame wotiase menka se na se nyame tiase na so wo hwe ye nyina ye da wo hwe ye sori wo hwe me hwe se nyame ni na nyame ni ene ebe kasa wo Kofi afam but the nyame anadwi ni say ye attended to him because said last weekend Mika said he has been very much on the suicidal watch.
Yeah.
Let's say Mika no.
Okay.
So he's harboring a lot of suicidal thoughts. To what we count the amiam crash me. Mr. Nana Sebi, a Tom Rebinda penny ni bibia can umia or no Sebi a bois. Company say Sebi or Quasia or can a nutun crave buniansa for because you know was more babeca. It's a young so or Quasia for.
One day.
Ah, a babuna matrim. Oh, sir. Okay, me trim babuna san. Me trim babuna san. Okay, and I'm a trim babuna san. But penny e kasa nanka ye and you can say nyan wasamka. But the work in the wa me nya asamaka when and try it. Me nya sure so would the details of what has happened. And so pursue who so a kwanya of fast nya Kofi so ma me boana ni munyam na bro no obetia afasa akwa no so hu nanka hu de wom na se wa wo de ye video call na wo de woni nkasa hu de wom asa no abe carry we de wan kan ye
Dormaahene or a smart gentleman. If I'm correct, I hear no a judge or so. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Exactly. Intino onim de na all kind of video. And now or you learned.
Very.
Or you intellectual. Inti onim de all kind. Na me person figure out where propaganda no fit into nasem na okay. So let's understand the meaning of propaganda. Highly fast kind, but I just want to read the exact definition. Propaganda. Information, especially of a biased or misleading nature, used to promote a political cause or point of view. So, exactly now, Mark Chen, but Halifax actually summarize. Information, especially of a biased or misleading nature, used to promote a political cause or point of view. Propaganda. You the extended version of the communication or asemana or come. DT and SOCO in Niema Bibi Sisi na every positive Bibi Besi wo Doma and Abono Hobiano na propaganda abeshim. So it means misleading information Bibi Babe Kaba positive so. The inside make sure or a smart man and you learn and say my examples one kasa out of the blue and that's one kasa out of nothingness. Or why specific with example say yenya positive bibi waha and a propaganda and misleading information in the kataso. Yenya another one waha and a certain propaganda ebe kataso. In this instance, unless of course meaning interior kind, but he was not specific with the exact misleading information. And so one you're careful not say okay or assembly propaganda or can directed to this element one you're careful about a mistake. Because Empress, let's be a same
B.
Kofi Adoma Semubai. There's been a lot of information connected to Doma any Dormaahene. Number one, yet a platform where so first time I share video no patrol people on this platform and people outside eka say so that's one information coming from
so we
Doma,
get the context for that stuff because
No,
from
like
the guy who
from the guy who
shot.
shot. Yes.
I asked because you're assuming everybody knows.
Okay. No.
Just to get the
So
context.
so one information the PA figure sitting by and say the masketeer no or sheda or sheda. That's one.
Sana
Nkofo bi kan say or sheda. To the point where my sister right and the say police phone kwache gentleman no. There was another narrative that says so Doma for share that no invite no say ye be hame no. That's another narrative. Now the other narrative no so was Dormaahene kra no enfre oni obiendin komo. So from one incident no when you get the Doma connection there's been a lot of narratives. Unfortunately for us and in our ability to actually analyze video and the commentary Dormaahene passing, it was not specific with the exact issue. So I cannot sit here and say, okay, masketeer na sabno na oka say one focus say oshedano and misleading.
Okay.
And now say the no she said Doma phone na sheda invite Kofi Adoma na say ye hameno no. Me say no oka say misleading. And now the fact say say Dormaahene and contact Kofi Adoma and the wife since incidents or accidents no. And no misleading na yeti he nyina we don't know. That's the only unfortunate bit in this video.
Okay.
Because he was not specific with the exact elements or issue or person just say misleading or in connection with the Doma phone misleading.
Okay.
But should I make say? So I say here careful because the man is learned and
He's smart.
extremely. So I can't be here and be confident in saying so Kofi Adoma accidents now and I say anything or no, I can't do that. Because Onoakasana was not specific. So I don't know if we're bunching out all the narratives out together and Okaso a propaganda. And I say, could be a phone on Honokasa misleading. I don't know. It's a major and no. Halifax can be about public relations, which I totally agree. Say, I say, Kobe, yes, Dormaahene Kasai. Even on Wakasani as session, I say, non compeso becasa. Baby Bintin no peso. Any dear one. Asamaba. Somebody has been maimed. I'm because what about toy. Maimed. I say we practice. We did them. Anka PR purposes no. Nanka ebeye fe. Sir, yes. Dormaahene are frustrated with the level of propaganda. Say most of the positive impacts via oil or Dormaahene. But if you say obey through a hand of I don't know the English word. Concern, care, sympathy, empathy. Yes. And no a messy or cinema a hammer. But propaganda I feel say no the entire worker say and that's a fact because even for the musketeer now I say some of us say no a pure accident. So it could be misleading and he is right in that regard. It's a honor part the main fortune. The the refusal or his inability to extend that hand of empathy and sympathy. So yeah, feel sebra. For example, Empress, I say what basa member or kitchen show. Me ba no ma be puli ne me pra. Na exactly na bia ye me wo show na se. Na makofie na maintain won kan.
It doesn't make sense.
Regardless of the fact say Empress what ebia wo de makoji siki do like some weird explanation be a how. It doesn't mean that you should not extend your hand in terms of empathy and sympathy. That is my only concern with the share. Yes, express all your frustration in regard to how you did negativity and shadow your positivity. But that sympathy need dear should have extended to the gentleman. Or party and Michelle. So when you have another opportunity, because you could not be in the public domain, you could do it privately. Because more friend, it's not as if say he went there out of his own volition. He was called.
Other for another century, Arnold Ola Michael, Twene Jonas, and woman for being a couple, added to Johnny a Kuniku and some of our comments at was no got off for so send you be as made a video if you made the app now some from my crown, we share it.
Mr. Mankwa, me offer was a niska near the Rieni project. As to the be a me offer sick a man near problem.
And I'm Namonte tap sending can.
No so nedia.
Tap send ye easy, fast and secured way. Who bet me a send this free amanone. Aba Ghana bank account and as a mobile money account. Untia transfer fee via.
Sir, I will buy anything.
Chine say one call App Store na Play Store. On download the tap send app no. Or download ya. Ebebu sanso promo code. Or ma the pet TV shim. Obenya €5, £5, and answer $10 on his first transfer.
And you make quack friend a catch them.
Tabi minyanwe. Esanse tap send at the good news aba. Tap send the giving the customers wanti or the tap send wallet aba.
I know about anything.
So your customer who you cases here. Ubeti me a call tap send app no create wallet also. Enti se rate ne kosora now the sikako gu wallet no. Anase mpo betimi atususu nkakra enti abre sema opeso send sika ba Ghana no anse wa send sika na ba Ghana anase oba o my Ghana mu watimi ya yusu sika e wo wallet no tie
and you said to say you yusu momo Ghana heiru
sa pepepe se si tap send that trena shim kopiem wo United Arab Emirates Netherlands and Austria tap send na
papa no